Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today the weekly candle has been closed above this support of $28,600 and also above the support of this big falling wedge as well. That is a big achievement for Bitcoin, but still it is moving very close to these supports, and in today's video we will take a look whether the price line will start a reversal move from here, or is there any possibility that the price line is going to break down this support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me just show you this weekly time frame. And here we can see that the price line had a long spike even beyond these supports of $28,600 and also the support of falling wedge pattern as well. And we can see previously when we tested this support here, we had a closing above this support, and the closing was at $34,699. And here when we tested this support again, we had the closing above the support that was at $32,288. And this time when we have tested this support, we have the closing at $31,295, and right now we are again moving very close to this support of $28,600 and also the support of the falling wedge. Now if we talk about the worst case scenario, in my point of view, that can be also this 200 simple moving average. Right now you can see that it is slightly moved up. Previously it was moving at $21,840, and right now it is moving at $21,959, almost at $22,000. And if we take a look at the previous history of Bitcoin, then we can see whenever it is touching or testing the support of 200 weekly simple moving average, we are having nice bounces. First it was appeared here back in 2015, and since then Bitcoin has never broken down this support. And Bitcoin also did another thing never in its history, and that is the Bitcoin never broke down the previous high. And this time we have the previous high of $20,000. So for example, if there will be a very devastating situation, then it is possible that we may have a spike up to $20,000. That is the previous high, but it will not break down the support of this 200 simple moving average. That is in my point of view, and you can see the history is also proving that. Now if we watch these supports, like let me just show you on the monthly time frame, and I'm showing you these supports in my almost every video. You can see Bitcoin also never breaks down such supports like we have formed here at $28,600, and before that Bitcoin found a support here that was almost at $3,150 or $3,120, and before that Bitcoin found a support here, and that was approximately at $210 back in 2015, and it was also breaking as a resistance here. And you can see Bitcoin did not break down this support, and after that we had another rally, found a support here, did not break down this support, even though we had a very big drop. And after this short rally, Bitcoin also found another support that was here approximately at $6,400. And after this drop back in March 2020, Bitcoin did not break down this support as well. And such support we have formed here once again. Bitcoin has formed this support at $28,600, so it is possible that now Bitcoin will start the next rally from here once it will be able to break out this resistance of this big falling wedge pattern. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then here we can see, let me tell you one thing, that our major support and resistance here is the next resistance at $33,000, and also this resistance of the falling wedge, and we have a major support here at $28,600. But now if we watch on the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see here on the short term, this is 33k, and here Bitcoin is not able to break out this resistance of $31,400. It is getting rejected again and again by this support, by this resistance. And as in my last video, I was telling you that Bitcoin has also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern here, but we can see it is rejected by the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder, and this is the neckline we are having. or it can be now after this rejection. Also can be adjusted in this way as well, because we had this spike here. This is the neckline, by the way, exactly. And we are rejected by this resistance, and the price line is again under the resistance of the neckline. And if I place this trend line here at the right shoulder, then we can see it is showing us, because when you are trading this head and shoulder pattern after the breakout, then you can set your stop loss here. That is the right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern. Then you can set your stop loss below than this level. And you can see this shoulder is formed at $28,561, exactly almost at the same level where we have this major support of $28,600. This is another proof that we have a very, very strong support here. You can see we had a drop here, but could not break down this support once again. And we had a nice bounce, but could not break out this resistance, move down again. And the next few hours are again really very important for Bitcoin. I'm looking at this breakout from this head and shoulder pattern, because after this breakout, our target for this head and shoulder pattern will be here. That will be approximately at $34,900, or maybe, yeah, $34,800, and that will be beyond this target, beyond this resistance of $33,000. And if I copy this trend line from here and paste it here, then you can see that we will be above this resistance, and there will be a probability that we will also move slightly more up to make another attempt to break out the resistance of this big falling wedge as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I share. Take care. Goodbye.